this tutorial I want to look at doing a hybrid model of a link arm. I'm not sure the angle of one end to the other or the distance between, so I'm going to do a boss at each end, and for one end I will make it 50 and 20 internal diameter, no 40 internal diameter, and at the other end I'm going to make it 40 and 30. Unlock the plane, and I can then select the regions together, hold the control key down, and then strip them down 50. So we now have these two. What I will do is just move this one down a little, just so that they are offset from each other, and that stops it from locking position. So I need to create the arm between the two, and by locking the plane I've got access to those key points. And just by building that in space I can pick that sketch and drag it in somewhere inside that end there, and I will do the same for the other end. And I'll keep it the same size. Now if I select the second sketch I can drag that into position as well. So this one comes into here. And I have a region to work with now. Default is to subtract, so we'll change that option to add, and we'll project that out 20 mil, and I'll do the same on the other end. So now we've got our two end pieces. We need to transition to ordered, and we'll do a loft between the two. So we can just use the geometry on that end face and match that to the geometry at the other end, and I will set it to tangent continuous at both ends, and you'll see that that adjusts in as so. So that said, when we have our assembly we can adjust this as we need to. If I position that on the top I can adjust it laterally, vertically, and if I hold the shift key down I can rotate the steering wheel, and that allows me to adjust it radially as well. So once I have the finished components I can position this correctly as I need to.